What sound are we learning today? This is the letter E and it makes the S sound. Can you say it with me? Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh is for egg. Eh is for elephant. Eh is for exercise. Eh is for envelope. Eh is for elf. Eh is for elbow. Eh is for emeralds. Listen carefully to the next words. One of the words starts with the S sound. Can you find it? Swim. Eggs. Ski. Lion. Which one was it? Was it ski, eggs, lion, or swim? That's right. Eggs starts with the S sound. Blending Bot is trying to say some words. Can you help him? P-e-t, pet. The S sound is in the middle of this word. Can you hear the S sound in the middle of these words? And help Blending Bot continue to say them? S-e-t, set. J-e-t, jet. U-e-g, leg. U-e-t, let. Thank you for helping and for joining us today. And we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson where we'll be learning the sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a look at our playlists as well, which have organised the different phonics lessons and the stories to help make it easier for you to find them. Thanks, everyone.